anime realness. Oh. Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first video of mine and you do like it, please don't forget to subscribe. I do mainly two videos a week, sometimes three, sometimes one, most of the time two. As you can probably tell from the title of this video, it is a Gucci sneaker unboxing. As you know, I did a massive clear out of all my sneakers at the start of the year because there are some sneakers I hadn't worn in a very, very long time, like my Gucci Ace. My Gucci Ace sneakers with the metallic flames on them, my Fear of God military sneakers, my Balenciaga Speedrunners. Obviously I just copped a new pair of Balenciaga Speedrunners in a new colourway, and now I've copped a new pair of Gucci sneakers. But I have actually wanted these for a really, really long time. If you have been subscribed for a while and you remember my video that was called like, Am I a Hype Beast? I was talking about pre-ordering these, and these have taken so long to come. I think there was a problem with the factory at Gucci or something, because the plain ones came out first like everywhere, and loads of people have got them and they look really, really nice, but I wanted the pair with a bit of Gucci on the side. They're a tiny bit more expensive, and basically the pre-order said on Gucci that they would be available from November, but actually no one had these until like January, and now they're kind of available everywhere. You've probably seen what they look like from the thumbnail of this video if you follow me on Instagram. I might have posted a picture already, but I'm super stoked to finally get these. It's been a long time coming. Following the dad kind of sneaker trend, the ugly sneaker trend, if you will, Gucci brought out the Rhyton Sneakers, which fall into that category, I think. I feel like this is Gucci's kind of rival to the Triple S from Balenciaga, because they came out shortly after. I can't even remember if they were in the runway or anything, but I just remember them, everyone being like, oh my god. I got mine from Matches Fashion. I'll leave links to loads of places where you can get them in the description box below if you want to check them out. I'll try and find some like alternatives as well, because there are loads. The high street are doing loads and loads of ugly sneakers that are like £50 now. I've got two pairs from Zara that look kind of similar, kind of like Wave Runners, kind of like Gucci Rhytons. But yeah, these are the Gucci, so let us open them. I am always really impressed with Gucci's like packaging. So here they are. I just grabbed one out. It comes with a massive dust bag, and each one is in plastic. Each sneaker as well is stuffed with what can only deem to be a fancy napkin, which is amazing. Normally they just stick tissue paper inside. This is like quality tissue. Well, it should be for £675. So here you have the Rhyton sneaker in all its glory. I might turn the exposure down again. There you go. So the upper is all leather and the sole is rubber. The sole is not as big as the Triple S sole. I can actually grab my Triple S for comparison if you like. When putting it against the Triple S, it is actually kind of similar in size. These are both a UK 9, but obviously I think the Triple S just has an even bigger sole. The Rhyton feels a lot comfier to actually wear and a lot lighter to walk around in. And the Triple S is different again because the Triple S has this like massive sole and then like a material upper with bits of leather. I love the printed Gucci logo on the side. It looks awesome. The actual design of these sneakers is actually really, really nice. They do also remind me of the new Alexander McQueen sneakers, which are trying to be Alexander McQueen's dad's sneaker version as well. They're just popping up all over the place, but the Gucci ones are such like a bougie statement piece, but I really, really like them. They're kind of similar to the Ace sneakers that I had in the sense that it's like kind of like an off-white cream colour, which is a really, really nice addition to like any outfit because they're not like bright white. It's kind of like a dirty cream, which is nice. They have this like kind of crisscross lacing along the front, which is really, really nice, and a little Gucci embroidered tab on the tongue as well. I got these in a UK 9 and they fit perfectly. I would say go true to size on these. The printed Gucci logo on the side is fantastic, and the sole is really, really cute as well actually. You kind of have little stars everywhere and it says Gucci made in Italy, but obviously the sole is not as intense as the alien monster that is Balenciaga Triple S. Nevertheless, both really, really cool sneakers. Really, really cool to see Gucci go into the ugly sneaker direction as well. Like I said, you can get this in 3 different designs. This one, and this one. I'll leave links to all of them in the description below. And I will show you what these look like on. So that that is it for the Gucci Rhyton sneaker unboxing. Do let me know what you think of these. Like I said, I've left links to everything and some alternatives down there as well. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.